The one day we went to the racetrack. My friend has the B8.5. I've got the B8. I don't know what he did, but it was like his speed was over here. He took me for a spin in his car, and I was like, dude, how do you see your speed? I'm not joking, your kilometers per hour. How did you see it on the screen? He said it's school mode. What the hell is school mode? Let me quickly show you how to activate it. So if I didn't mention it, I'm sorry. I'm using the OBDeleven app. Once you're connected to the car, you're going to click on the picture of the car, and it's going to show you all of this information. You're going to go to apps. With a small little scroll, you can see here's your driving school mode. So basically it costs 10 credits. So it's going to quickly try to load. I just bought it now just to make sure it's working and all those kind of things. So yours is going to be off. What you're going to do is you're going to turn it on. You're in the bottom right corner, there's a tick. If you click on it once, they say you need to hold it. So once you hold it, it's just basically going to take you to like a pop-up screen saying this is how much it is to activate it. And you can actually like save your card on the Google Play Store and that. So every time you're just going to say you want this, you're going to click and hold it, and it's going to purchase these apps or whatever you want to call it, these hidden functions automatically for you. Okay, so it is activated. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on setup. Then as you can see in the top right corner, it says settings, which means top right corner. So this is bottom right, top right corner. We're going to click it. It's going to show this. And right over there, it says driving school mode is off. So once you turn it on, you're just going to leave it here for a few seconds, and automatically it should pop into it. That is so cool. I mean, like, probably so freaking stupid, but I love it. I absolutely just love the idea. So can you change it to miles per hour in that? I'm really not sure. This is how far I've gotten, but for me, I'm using kilometers per hour anyway. So perfecto. Anyway, there we go, guys. That's how you activate school mode.